Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio with a product that's been making waves. The Rockville dB55 4000-watt, 980-watt RMS 5-channel amplifier. If you're looking for the best car amplifier for component speakers, you're in the right place. Now, what sets this amplifier apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, this beast boasts a whopping 4000 watts peak output and 980 watts dyno-certified RMS power. But numbers alone don't tell the whole story. What really makes the Rockville dB55 shine is its versatility and performance. Whether you're powering up your component speakers or adding some serious punch to your subwoofer, this amplifier delivers in spades. Let's talk features. With a fully adjustable 12 decibels octave crossover, differential circuitry, and a subsonic filter, you have complete control over your sound. Plus, the remote dashboard subwoofer control makes fine-tuning a breeze. But what about sound quality? Rest assured, the Rockville dB55 doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its high-speed MOSFET power supply and studio-grade bipolar output stage transistors, you'll experience crisp, clear audio like never before. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the performance and value of this amplifier, comparing it to top-tier brands without the hefty price tag. So there you have it, folks. If you want the best of the best for your car audio setup, look no further than the Rockville dB55 5-channel amplifier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more in-depth product reviews. Until then, happy listening.